Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys. It's like ocean inspired, mermaid inspired. I was feeling blue today. Not like I was feeling down blue, but I was feeling like I really wanted to do a blue look. So that is what I did today, and when I saw these shadows in this palette, those were the shadows that I really wanted to use. And that palette is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. I think the packaging is amazing. I honestly just want to like frame it and hang it just so I can always look at it. It makes me feel like I'm missing out on life and I just need to be traveling. It's very relaxing to look at. I love all the images. So here are the shadows in this palette. So there are 21 shadows, and honestly when I looked at this palette I was in love, because whenever I look for a palette I like to have transition shades, I like to have darker crease shadows, a black brow bone shadow, and color, and this palette has everything and more in here, and I was really excited to try it out today. So I tried it out for the first time today, and then I'll let you know my review on this palette at the end of the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Riff. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. I'm just going back and forth, and these shadows are so pigmented. I barely even touch my brush into the shadow, and look at how much payoff these shadows have. Now to deepen up my crease, I'm picking up Punk. I picked up the tiniest amount of this shadow on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start kind of tapping that first into my crease a little bit, and then I'm going to start going back and forth to deepen the crease. When I deepen my crease, I like to start off with a light coat basically, so I barely dip the brush into the pan, and then I put that through my crease, and then it's easier to obviously build up the dark shadow than applying a lot of dark shadow and trying to take that away. Now I just picked up a little bit more, and then I'm going to try to apply it closer to the bottom part of my crease, and I kind of want it to fall a little bit onto my lid because it's going to make the other shadow that I apply on my lid easier to blend into. I'm now picking up Radio. I'm going to start applying this at the very base of my crease, just on this very lowest part with my Makeup Geek Defined Crease Brush. I just want to make sure that the look, because we're using two different shades, that it really blends into this brown shadow in my crease. Then I'm going to pick up Riff again and just apply that at the very high point of my crease to make sure everything is really blended through together. I'm going to pick up Radio again on my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm shocked at how pigmented these shadows are even when you apply it with a brush, because I usually don't like applying metallic-y or foiled shadows with a brush because I find that my finger just makes it more pigmented. But this, look at that, it looks so good. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my outer corner, making sure to leave the center of my lid just empty because I'm going to be applying a lighter shadow. And then I'm going to go back into that Makeup Geek brush and blend the crease once again. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Big Sky, and then I'm actually going to apply this shadow with my finger. And then go back in with that F70 and just blend the edges. I'm picking up Radio on my E20 Short Shader brush by Sigma, and I'm going to start applying this all along my lash line. And then start smoking it out, and I want it to be really smoky down here, so just smoke it down pretty far down. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Breakaway. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with my Sigma E32 Exact Blend Brush, and this shadow is so beautiful for a brow bone highlight. It has the prettiest sheen to it. And then I'm going to use that same shadow to highlight my inner corner with my Smashbox Precise Smudger brush. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm going to line my upper waterline, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going into Jet. So I don't want it to look like there's a really distinct difference between where my waterline and shadows start. So I'm going to apply just a little bit of this shadow with my E15 flat definer brush, just really close to my lash line. So it just gives it that really nice blend. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Salon Perfect Lashes in 651. And that's the eye look done. These lashes feel so nice on. They feel so lightweight, and I feel like I honestly have nothing on at all because they have the no-show band, so the band is really, really thin, so it feels so nice and lightweight and comfortable. I love it. So for my lips, I'm first going to be lining my lips with this Pop Beauty Pout on Point in Nudie, and the pencil is so cool. So it opens up, obviously it opens up, and it has like this teardrop shape. So I'm just going to first line my lips with this pencil and kind of fill it in just on the outer corners, and then blend it in with the Sigma Lip L05 brush. So now I'm going for a fuller pout look. So I'm now going to be applying a lighter shade lipstick. So I'm going into the Tarte Color Splash lipstick in Skinny Dip. It looks like a really pretty nude shade, and it is, I'm hoping, going to be a few shades lighter. So I'm just going to apply that in the center and then buff that out with the same lip brush. Such a pretty lipstick shade. So now over top I'm going to be applying the MAC and Aaliyah collab lip gloss in Brooklyn Born. It's such a beautiful gloss. It's like the perfect nude gloss with gold reflex, so I'm just going to apply that over top. And that is it. This is a completed look of my teal blue halo smoky eye using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. So let me tell you my thoughts about this palette. So here it is once again, all of the shadows. I think this palette is such a great palette. It has everything and more you need. Honestly, you could use this palette for so many different looks. You can do it for daytime looks, nighttime looks, natural, dramatic, colorful, neutral. And those are the things that I look for when I see a palette. I like to see if I can get a really good use out of it. And I feel like this palette might be a new favorite. And the formula of the shadows are so creamy. I'm like in shock. I'll swatch 3 of the mattes for you guys right now. They are so pigmented, and then let me just do one random color. Let's do this green right here. Look at that. They are super pigmented and super blendable and creamy, and I was really, really, really impressed, and I really like this palette. I do still want to do another look using this palette, and I really, really want to do like a burnt orange kind of smoky eye. So let me know if you guys still want to see another look or another few looks using this palette, and I will definitely be doing that for you guys. But all in all, I think this is a great palette. I think the packaging is stunning, and the quality of the shadows are really nice, and they are really pigmented. I was really pleasantly surprised, and I'm so happy that I like it. So I can't wait to keep using it. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And a list of all the products that I used today, along with brushes, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!